Wow, Agueros. Okay then, I have no idea what this dude is saying.
Hey, it's all good, guys. I got this. It's a bit of a different dialect, but...
Leo, dude, he's saying, do they know what's going on here?
They're totally clued in, RC. They want us to come to their village to see the situation firsthand. They need our help.
Oh, yay. Another hike. All right, quit griping. Let's gear up, everyone. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Toucan.
Toucan, who?
Two can play this game.
Do I have to keep walking next to him?